Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi K-Meets espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace the water pump, the one that you see right here, from 2011, and we also had to replace the water pump valve. We also unfortunately had to replace the board of the machine. This one that you see right here is the motherboard, and this one that you see right here is the frontal board. So these buttons over here in the inside are brand new and the machine is good to go. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Now I'm using Artes coffee, so hopefully I pick up the right grind settings to this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. But thankfully we are seeing a nice steady stream coming out of the portafilter. Look at that color and that crema forming at the top of the espresso shot. Looking really good. Now I'm going to stop it manually over here. That is around 2 ounces. And look at that beautiful shot. Nice crema. Great quantity. Great color as well. And now we're going to be testing the hot water. And as you can see, steady stream coming. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the one. Looking great. And now we're going to be testing the steamer. We're going to wait for the machine to fully pressurize. Okay, now that the machine is finally going to pressurize, we can test the steamer, and as you can see, seems perfectly fine. Excellent pressure, working excellent. So there you have it, the DeLonghi K-Meets working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.